Ladies and gentlemen, look what came in the mail today. And I picked up some test pipes too, some CNT test pipes for $50. Brand new, 50 buckos. They usually cost like 160 to 200, but nope. Picked these up for $50, brand new. I also picked up this Insta thing, starting an album for my car, and I picked this up for $40, and it's brand new. I just got it out of the box. Usually goes for $40. I mean for $120, but I got it for 40 buckaroonies. So that's that. So that's one pickup. CNT test pipes, 2 pickups, and today the Street Aero Diffuser. Hey. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Fatboy, aka Fatboy Sneakers. Welcome to another fucking video. Today it will be another car video, and with that being said, honestly, I'm super excited. My AC is on, by the way, so if you guys can hear, I am so sorry, but I am super excited because today my freaking diffuser came. My Street Aero Diffuser, and you guys, man, I've been wanting this for a long time, but I finally decided to buy it a week ago, and it came here super fast. Unlike my headers that took like about 2-3 months for them to get here, this came the week I ordered it, so I'm super excited. So shout out to Street Aero for just being an amazing company overall. So we're gonna unbox this, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what there is in this box if you guys do decide to order it. So I don't know if I'm gonna show a video of me installing it. It's gonna be me and my dad. Excuse me. So I'll probably show you guys a before and after we get it installed. And also another thing, I got CNT test pipes for only $50, which is crazy because brand new, them joints are like $200, $167 plus shipping, you know. So like I just ran it up to 200, but I got it for $50 brand new, and I'm super excited about that. Okay, oh lord, I'm so glad I did not dump this all out because it has a whole bunch of these things, and that would have made a fucking mess. Lord, god damn it. So this comes wrapped up. Yo, Street Aero. Good shit with the packaging, man. Good stuff. I'm pretty sure this is the middle part of the diffuser. So it's gonna go like this in the back of the car. This is the middle part, which I'm so glad it already comes assembled. Look at this. You guys will get B-roll of close-up shots anyways, but yo, quality is on point though. I'm so used to like smelling new stuff when I open them because like I'm a sneakerhead, so every time I get a new shoe, I love to smell it. So I'm used to like smelling things when I open them. Ooh, here are the side skits. I'm pretty sure they go right here next to the diffuser thingamabobs. They go right here or the other way. There's another one of these. Yeah, so here's the other one, which looks exactly like this one, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. So this is the thing that goes next to the fender, the back fender where the wheel is. Some people don't put this one on, but I think I'm gonna put it on just to make it look a little bit better. I know it does look better with like cars that are wide bodied, but unfortunately I will never ever wide body my car. Oh, as of right now, it's not like part of my plans to wide body it. So I'm still gonna put it on, and hopefully it still looks as good as it does with the wide body. Your instructions. And last but not least, it's another one of these, so I'm not even gonna bother showing you guys because one goes on the left, one goes on the right, just like the other ones. So I'm not gonna bother opening that for you guys. I will show you guys some B-roll and show you how like the whole thing looks. Let me dig in here. Oh, little box with the screws and everything you need to install these. So that's that. When I tell you guys I made a whole mess, I was not freaking kidding. Like, look at these. Look at all these things. They did a really good job packaging these things, and I made a whole mess in the room. There you go. So this is what we have so far. So we are about to install it, and I'm gonna set you guys up, and I guess I'll put a time lapse. And it's pretty simple. It's a simple process. So I can't wait. So guys, it has been a day, and this is how the diffuser turned out. I don't know if you guys can see it very well because of the sunlight is hitting my way, but this is how the diffuser turned out, and in my opinion it looks very, very clean. There you go. Give you guys a little look around. Looks pretty fucking clean. A shout out to Street Aero because, man, their shipping was just on point. Everything was on point. Like, literally, it came in the same week that I ordered it, so it didn't even take that long. And honestly, it looks so freaking clean, and I am super fucking excited. So yeah, man.
2,000 years later.
Fuck. Anyways, today is a good day. There you go. Just keep it simple, because today I will be finally buying and installing some taillights for the Genesis Coupe. As you guys know, there's a BK1, which is a 2010 to 2012. Those are BK1s, which I don't have. I have a BK2, which is from 2013 to 2016. And the taillights on those are actually pretty nice. They're better than the BK1s. They're really, really nice, but they're basic as well. And so I think today is the time to change them. And you guys will not believe them. I got $500 taillights, brand new, brand spanking new, packaging and everything, for $100. $100. I found this dude on Facebook, guys. I feel like everything I've been buying from the Genesis has been on Facebook or offer up, but it's like I'm getting brand new stuff for super, super cheap. And it's amazing what you can actually find on Facebook. Join a Facebook group. If you have a Genesis, join a Genesis group. If you have a 370, then join 370. You will be surprised of the good deals people are just willing to give you guys. I need to catch my breath. I found this dude. He's selling his taillights, brand new taillights. Although they are brand new, there is a little bit of flaw, which is why he's selling it for a little cheap. They are cracked in the corner. I will show you guys some pictures right now. They're like cracked, and you can't even see the crack, to be honest. Crazy thing is, he lives like 2 minutes away from me, so I'm gonna go pick it up after he gets out of work. He brought him to work, and I'm gonna meet him up, and I'm gonna install them bitches. And I can't wait. So I can't really wait. They look so amazing. They're called the Anzo's taillights, I believe. I'll show you guys later when I do pick them up. But I'm super excited. So I can't wait for later. I have to wait like another 3 hours to go pick them up. But I'm anxious. I'm excited. And I don't know. It's just, this build has been just going on fast. Like, everything I've been adding to Genesis has just been so fast. And it's so hard to process everything. But it's coming all together, and I can't freaking wait, man. That car is gonna look so pimped out. It's gonna look so sexy. A lot of people might call me a ricer, but I don't care, because it's my build, and it's gonna look sexy as fuck. So if you think I'm a ricer, you is a bitch. So I just got home from picking these up, and I'm about to install them. So I hope you guys enjoy the time lapse. So sick.
Monkey. La presión es alta, pero
look at that. That's crazy. Guys, as I was editing the video, I noticed that I did not make an outro. But I am sorry I couldn't show you guys more of the taillights. The weather has been terrible. I did install them a week ago, but I've been busy and the weather has just been terrible overall. But shout out again to Street Aero, guys. I will leave the links down below. If I can still find them. I'm pretty sure the diffuser is actually still on sale. I got it for $250 because I used a coupon. It is on sale for $265, I say, and then they give you 50% off. I don't know if I used the 15% off or if I used another coupon, but yeah, you can get it for $250, and honestly, it is definitely worth it. It makes the car look more aggressive, especially with the taillights on. It looks so clean, and yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like in the video, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's your boy Fatboy, aka Fatboy Sneakers. Peace.